brand new feature. These types of items didn't really used to exist before. This is one more way Blizzard is trying to make this game a little bit more alt-friendly. And of course, if you didn't know, alts are alternate characters. You have your main character that you play most often, and then you would have other characters that you made that are perhaps lower level that you haven't played as much, and these would be considered alts. Another thing you might notice on gear is that it's bind on pickup or bind on equip. So some items, just picking them up binds that item to you, and someone might ask for it and you'll be like, oh, it won't let me trade it to you. That's probably because it's bind on pickup.